Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT with another tip for you on the use of QuoteWerks Web API. This tip is how to read the comments. So I did mention it in the last video, but it wasn't necessarily clear, and I think it's quite an important one for people to pick up. As you can see, I'm in the API scripting manager, and I've just used a sample to generate myself some JavaScript down here. Let's get rid of that to show it a bit better. It's just a simple validation, and you can see just about there's some comments here, but they're really not easy to read. Now I have requested an enhancement to be able to change that, but that hasn't come through as of the 28th of August 2025. Hopefully it will soon. But in the meantime, the best way to read your comments is to highlight them and then just click away. That changes the background color, and there we can nicely see our comment that the AI assistant has created us. And if you're crafting your own JavaScript, then I would strongly recommend that you use comments. Incredibly useful to remind you what you did 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and if somebody else picks up your code, then they're going to understand what it is that you are trying to achieve with it. Hope this tip's been useful. Contact details are in the comments below. Good luck with your scripting, and if you need any assistance, just give us a shout.